Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset your Best Buy account password. We will also put links in the description below for Best Buy deals and promotions for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website bestbuy.com. At the upper right part, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In option. Click on Sign In. Now here, you will see a blue text that says Forgot your password. Click on Forgot your password. To reset your password, enter the email address associated to your account. Then click on Continue. Since we're going to reset our account password, we're going to go ahead and click on the Reset Password button. But then, if you forgot your password, you also have another option, which is to receive an email with a sign-in link which does not require your password. Next, you could choose either to receive the code via text or email. If via text, enter the last 4 digits of your recovery phone number. Otherwise, click on the email option. Then click on Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. Now, on the fields provided, enter the new password you wish to use. After entering, click on the Save and Continue button. And that's how you reset your Best Buy account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.